It is often so with this car. What do you want to secondary school for the fear? Because my mom and for the time. Now, my Nanya, what would you mean in a book?
Amau Akwaba, Wafreme Ajua searching him, Mesrel. Now was subscribing to my channel. Meow notification bell no so for more news. And send be circulating our internet no so. There's this girl, or say Free SHS no, Ebeyanka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama entry. Now parent no into a Mumba school fees because His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, former president, and a ostate into onu no onim hawa obesi provided for emofrano needs. Into no se Ghana for yem penas yato etia NPP abandia. Parents no into a school fees. Now, asem we a girl we akano, I am not surprised because on man hene of Asempa Sompa FM journalist Ekasasim we a wabrane yento aba. Ose, and I quote, if I could remember what he said. Ose, Free SHS nanado neni swadi hu. Na nanado neni swadi hu so sa policy nanado de divine nanado na onim ha onye sikade ye. Nti nkebeya anka enenka NDC for some babe ni yedi anka na MPP nto aso no mo nim ha o financing nti nka mo ento aso na Ghana force yempe ene yeto abaniditi a NPP amayoku. Indeed, yempe nti na yeto abaniditi a NPP amayoku because during the election time no, I mean when both parties na campaign no, Ghana for can say Free SHS na be the other. And you know this country, it is funny. People really don't know the benefits about the Free SHS. They just don't know how a Free SHS no benefiting. If you think you can provide for your kids, children, that is fine because education is very important. And you know, ubetimi provide their man, let them go to school, and they are fine. But if you think you cannot provide for your child into ubanintin if you na sa ban bia bana ko betimi provide na say one to aba amano then am so aba ne betimi fie there, I don't see any sense in it. I always say education inipa mienu omo akọ secondary school omo mienu no so omo ya ade abahu say nsunsun wo ebia the one of secondary school no be use fie nyansa de aya de be succeed but entime succeed much than their call SHS or the fie nyansa aka ho no. The free education is very important. Now Ghana for my phone is one pay. I quite remember Free SHS by His Excellency by or be established no. Na mo kumase the kokegetia people were happy. Trunk na chop box na school ho ni ama shorty wo kumaso. People were happy hailing His Excellency Nanado hailing. They were hailing His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo, former president. Why are they? I quite remember na mo kejetia. So what happened after 4 years? Nyamene Fefie na NPP to maintain His Excellency the former president Nanado to maintain in the city and go fail. So Ghana, for what do we want? We don't want the Free SHS. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ghana for say Free SHS no the buy into ontimi onjai. And I support whatever they are saying. Free SHS near NDC for policy. Into no omo how to go about it. They should stop. Parents need to almost school fees. They should pay their school fees, provide for their kids, to uniform, to cardigan, schools, books, everything they should provide. Because now the president, you know, the children were not paying school fees. They were not paying feeding fee. They were not buying books. They were not even buying mattress. So Nanado was providing everything. And I'm even wondering why NDC for buy transitioning a course no. Omo kasa sesike when people are buying boka. 2016. If Ghana net is saying, and NPP phone so air transparent to Ghanaians. By this time, NDC minister Bakumpo no that's what Ghana our share could be a dim. You have mouth to talk. Because you think say yeah the pressure go monso, more the pressure go NPP for so as betting me aja kunjana, betting me a boy mine ya the ama montino, most that between foot any. Massa, Ghana no, it must start here the end. If you think so be a disika, prosecute the person, send the person to jail, continue your governance. Or mind dumbebu and yes, I am cope. You say you can do it. What beje? If you think so be a disika, Mr. Chinu to continue a membuno, yam pedum so. Ambulance will make sure say after more 4 years in the BC of drone service will be provided. Menyan made it say a friend saying a dialysis now all the can national health insurance and all and this for a cancel. Can you bear me day? Yeah, bear me day. Interesting times ahead. NDC Free SHS no Ghana for chese. Nana His Excellency John Dramani Mahama you know the buy. To intimi.
It is often say with this car. What do you want to secondary school for the fear? Because Maham and for the time. Now my Nanya who do in a book. First, this one and another first and for my yes, sacrifice it at the wake up where we are. Now, yes, I was Cano near the wake up. Raise we are not what already because I near and another day fire by it. And no one was here, Sakoyachi. And to show your bad time, that's a woman we are squabbling one. Say they don't be the first, no. Where the call we are now the wake up. And one no, man for pressure that to Mahama so because Mahama show also about the free SHS, you know, a year abroad, on the 24-hour economy. So, and to be a stress and Mama Tonoso, and before now, as they say, walk out.
Honorable, you jahe Canada Japan. And ya bibia, and ya dear mum can name move. Yes, Ramo. Se Canada Japan. Adia open an aban. Se akwalabi bekosu na onyesika. Na Canada waba betria, na waba kano bedroom. Na Ghana phone na who say we ni papa. Canada the open ye. And I want Sakam. You jahe the mupen ye. Se almost day for no. Entia. The mum borders in border for the betua. Canada the open ye. Now, while I be in the school fees about beginning of crime, Canada Japan. No what chia, no what big dinner, what but TV so I can. And at the end, there's Mama Ghana Conechi. They say Ghana need a more Moscan and Benesca. Yeah, any the be a because what Canada the Mopan you. The Mo Canada Cassa, Becassa, Bram Copram, and the Mabel opposition. Canada. It is over by the president, Nabana Mana say, I did quite about us all be born, my Canada Japan. Will you use the Mupan ye me bois? Ye can't send the Achimo. It may be, yes, will be a swadi. So Canadi. So was swadi, no did matem. Nase, Ohame, Nakana do bet me up one or my brother more. Na ye did matem by meba. And I put for the Ambraso or Ambraso say, problem in Abaswagana for Canada, the one ma. Any Wabusia, won't tell da. Our Ghana's as soon as you young. By ye, woman, any deal. You won't tell us, say, therefore, and your former man or woman, yes, car. Or Muntimin Coscuni. As you for no more than Otodia Boom, a year and Kakaka Classa 8 years, Emma Kuala 5 million, 5.2 million in yes, school education. Canada the open. Ya the Ghana cho fa so why dream is a Ghana be opposition they say more the Ghana ni nyina akọ Mahama why be no be fa so be bu man they say obi an so obi na no say sikedi Canada you ready obi ari na hin asem beba because eduru mle bi obi ko kra utimi ka se wona akotua de open no na aba Canada Japan ya ja Ghana ma fa wo de fa Ghana no ya de amount why Ghana no fa Canada ni yuji ahe ya de Ghana na ma mo fa sa ko fota mo sori na wo yes ani mani nyina enye Ghana ko nanim bia na wo Canada Japan ya wasa ma Ghana sa change reverse na say ya ba wo bosin abo yati Canada ya da wase nyina atim na me hira wa yes ro Captain Smart e kira nyame ya adoma ene edi gonja mafia esi so na Ghana highway se free SHS won teche ma Captain Smart utimi kokuru wi ye be kire ya adwe brutal Gonja mafia. Who Captain Smart to see soldier near trashy. A Kufuado, ye a Kufuado, who soldier near trashy, ye didn't come Mahama Hospital. Captain Smart, who Kaiser, a Kumu, Mahama Nashasi. Well, to be a mule, who did 4 years and went to be a new Kufuado the better was, or any may go. Who caught the choir, a Kufuado, and a better was near you, who caught the pa, a Kufuado. On the baby is at the hospital, Namahama, obey President Jakufuado. On the baby. So, who call your friend say we drop on so we si ba ko ho wo hwe niem egum ni nyina wo Ghana ha wo e na wo san ba Kumasi ofori krum ekufo ado we wie agenda 111 no wo ba Kumasi bi mu atrede wase wie agenda 111 Captain Smart wo ye bema be kire me aban a waba within 4 years watimi hospital ye nwie na watimi aba be wie di niem agum man ye adwuma man hwe Ghana fo Captain Smart gonja mafia di ni si so wie na Free SHS won teach ma Captain Smart anye kuro we unkom me na me ka kire wo ye be kire ya adwen ro